Welcome back to Tashkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Lunc, whose current price stands at the $0.00029986 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.18%. And in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Lunc, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, and that movement to the upper side was obeying this Elliot wave structure, having a wave 5 taking us back to around the $0.000059 mark. And having seen the formation of that Elliot wave structure to the upper side, we can now name that as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect on this other side is the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, and that is what has been playing out here on the Lunc chart. And that higher Elliot wave count 2 gave us a low at around the $0.00017 mark, and after making that low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is the formation of a third wave, that is a higher Elliot wave count 3, which I have named right here. And I believe that is what is playing out in this movement right here. And in that movement to the upper side, we have also managed to break above key areas of resistances. And because our wave 3 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that third wave to the upper side. And I believe that is what is playing out here after making our low down there for that second wave. And we are seeing a fractal wave in formation within that third wave to the upper side, having that as the wave 1, then a wave 2. Then this impulsive movement that we saw right here is the formation of a third wave. Then I will be expecting a fourth wave once you complete the formation of a third wave to the upper side. Then continue pushing high in the formation of a fifth wave to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1, which is a fractal wave within this higher Elliot wave count 3. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this fractal wave so that it can also give us the key scenarios that we expect to play out. Since we have the low for that wave 1 to the upper side right there, and also the high for that wave 1, we can get a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this third wave that is within that fractal wave 1 to the upper side. And I just need to use the trend based Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of a third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.000501 mark. And once that plays out, I will expect the formation of a wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. So that is what I'm expecting to play out here on the Lunc chart, and marking that target area for that third wave to the upper side like that, then removing these Fibonacci's and getting back to the formation of this third wave right here. You can see after making the high at around the $0.0037 mark, we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and we lost a key area of support at around the $0.00033 mark. And right now we are sitting on a key area of support at around the $0.000029 mark, and in case we lose that key area of support, then we might be invalidating my Elliot wave structure that I have here on the charts. And you can also see we have been trading within a channel right here, and in case we break out of that channel to the lower side, that would mean we'll be losing this key area of support and continue unlocking lower prices. But in case we manage to break out of the channel to the upper side, maybe even see a successful retest of the upper side of the channel, manage to break above this key area of resistance once more, have a successful retest of that key area of resistance, then that would be very positive for Lunc, because that would mean we might be able to maximize our target area in the formation of this third wave to the upper side right here. And once we make the high at around the fib level 1.618, then we can expect a bit of a retracement to the lower side in the formation of our wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of our wave 5 to complete that higher Elliot wave count 1. But in case we lose that key, we manage to break out of the channel to the lower side and continue pushing lower, and taking a note that we made a low for that second wave at around the $0.00025 mark. In case we get into that low for that second wave, then that will be invalidating my Elliott wave structure here on the charts, and I need to mark that here on my charts right now. Yeah, I need to mark the low for that second wave to the lower side as an invalidation point. So in case we get back to the $0.00025 mark, that will be invalidating my Elliott wave structure right here, and I'll have to view this movement to the upper side as something else. And the only way we can view that as is just having this as a massive wave 1. Then whatever we are seeing over here is a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, then expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which we can now name as a higher Elliott wave count 1, which is a fractal wave within a wave 3. So that is the other possible scenario that can play out here on the Lunc chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Let's continue watching that key area of support at around the $0.00029 mark. In case we see a breakout out of below that key area of support, I'll keep you updated and also give you the most likely possible scenario here on the Lunc chart. That's all for this video.